She wants to go.
I get her fucking prime. I throw that back in the bag.
Put some power in it.
Purge in a shot. Put this bitch sky high. What the fuck is that?
We don't need that.
Wires and bullshit. I get her prime. She wants to go.
It smells like she wants to go.
Put you on catch on fire.
Got insurance, right?
No.
What the hell is this?
This thing's been a farm truck for as long as I can remember. Motherfucker. Woo! We got a quarter tank of fuel.
Damn it, she should go. Crank her.
Ooh, a couple more primes and she's gonna fire up.
Let's get into this here, Rich. This dash. Hey, fuck you. I want to try.
Yeah, now I gotta do this right.
Yeah,
She wants to fucking go.
got that fancy motor right there that powers the generator and the almighty boom.
Tell she wants to go.
You can tell it's a Ford. She has some spit back.
Trying to fucking bitch. I know you want to go. Come to buddy.
Maybe it'll like Gatorade. Making her scream. Well, that throttle open. Oh.
Here, just go like this.
I got my hands are full.
Or drop in. Good.
How about I just sit under the hood and pour shit in it while you drive around?
Sounds good.
She wants to go. We'll get this going no matter what. It's been a long time coming.
Yeah. Fuck it up the ass.
We'll do it even if you have to put a crater in the ground.
She wants to fucking go. She's being the whore. Fuck with that.
Holding this thing, you're done. Knock it over and go kaboom!
There.
Just got backfire and blow the hood off the damn thing.
God damn it.
What's it gonna take?
Gonna get fuel to the carburetor, that's what it's gonna take.
When was the last time this ran? Last year?
Yeah, last year.
Yeah, it was a year ago.
Getting better.
think it'll like Gatorade better.
Fuck that Gatorade.
Oh, you wanted to hang in there.
Oh, you motherfucker. Almost had this bitch.
Oh, it's
Oh, what was that? That fucking whore.
going on 6 minutes here. There we go. Smooth as whiskey.
She's quiet too.
I'm actually, is that even running?
Runs like a Toyota.
It's like a hybrid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Come on, come on. Got a valve tap. Check the oil before you started it?
She sure runs good.
Got a little bit of a valve tap. Other than that, she's running.
That thing's got bad tap.
What was the oil like? You can't check it now, but sounds like more of a vibration. Hey, don't suck that in. I don't think it ever ran this good, has it? I'm thinking it was a Ford, the clown truck.
Thing runs nice and quiet.
Oh, that's the Ford, folks. We're gonna go for a ride in it. Cool there.